Okay, here I am at FFX trade show. I'm on the big wipe stand with
David Hawkins, and I want to show you guys exactly the mighty power of big wipes. Check this over here now.
David,
this is silicone over here. You're going to love this. Look at this. This is silicone, guys. Hard to get off. I rub that onto my hands like this over here. I put a bit of paint on my hands. Look at this over here. A bit of paint. No problem. And also, check this. CT1. My word. You can't get that off your hands. Put that on like that. My goodness gracious me. How are you going to get that off, Hawkins? Sir, no problem at all. Just look at that. Is that filth or what?
That is messy, brother.
Exactly. I put that over there. Banjo. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Hey, good afternoon, sir. Is that reasonable or not?
Sprinkling.
Now watch this. This is the dirty side. I put the dirty side here. Oh my word. Wow, isn't that just great? Check this over here. The dirty side. This is the dirty side. I repeat, the dirty side. And look at that over here. No problem at all. It cleans like a new pin. Look at this. This is like a new tire. Just